Go for it, Izzy.
Come on. And he's got the video camera already.
Omi's just watching. Go, Izzy.
He doesn't like cat bowling.
There she goes. She's doing it.
I know.
Knock it off, Izzy. You can do it. Keep going.
Now this might make her a little more tempted.
She's going for the bottom shelf. There she goes.
She's pushing high like that. I know. First try together. Not near.
Are you speaking like Ruby?
Ruby is speaking like Ruby. So that's why he's Ruby.
Izzy, you're just the weirdest cat I've ever met.
What are you doing, Iz? You playing with blocks?
She's cat bowling.
Oh, you're cat bowling.
Yes, and the blocks are pins.
See, you line them up, and she knocks them down.
Careful.
Come on,
Oh,
do it.
she's gone. She's out of here.